again. It's a rich thing.
Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best power scrubbers tested in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 10. WKY Electric Spin Bathroom Power Scrubber. The WKY Electric Spin Bathroom Power Scrubber is an extremely high-quality product that excels with cleaning floors and hard-to-reach areas, thanks to an extendable handle. We also love the dual rechargeable batteries that are built into this spin scrubber power brush, allowing for nearly 90 minutes of use on a single charge, and the powerful high-torque motor, which offers 400 RPM, making short work out of built-up grime. The short time it takes the batteries to charge is also a great perk, so if the battery life runs out, get a quick recharge, then keep battling tough stains like water stains on bathroom surfaces like the bathroom floor. With 4 replaceable brush heads, the Spin Scrubber's extra-wide brush head cleans large flat surface areas like bathroom floors, while the short Spin Scrubber cleans closer spaces. And the long Spin Scrubber is used to clean long distances as it comes equipped with an extension handle. The extension handle is also useful because you can clean long distances without bending over or straining your neck to reach high places. Number 9. IEZFIX Electric Spin Scrubber. This IEZFIX Electric Spin Scrubber can easily clean large surface areas in one go, including windows and floors, thanks to multiple brush heads and an efficiently designed motor that spins at 350 RPM. We also love the included attachments, which include microfiber pads and the aforementioned brush heads. This is also a cordless scrubber, so it can be used anywhere without the hassle of dragging cords. The powerful motor excels at the removal of dirt, grit, and other grime, and you'll only get around 2 hours of use out of a single charge. Number 8. RevoClean 4-Piece Bathroom Power Scrubber Kit. This RevoClean 4-Piece Bathroom Power Scrubber Kit is a budget-friendly collection of brush heads that are durably made from stainless steel and nylon, among other high-quality materials, and are entirely waterproof, for easy cleaning after use. We also love the large variety of size and stiffness options available, making this kit perfect for many different bathroom cleaning tasks, from flat surfaces to hard-to-reach corners. It must be noted, however, that this is a collection of 4 brush heads and does not come with a drill, though each head easily attaches to common household drills. Additionally, there is currently no way to purchase replacement heads separately, should one break down the line. For the rest of your bathroom cleaning needs, you'll need to have the best bathroom cleaner on hand. Number 7. MECO Electric Spin Bathroom Power Scrubber. The MECO Electric Spin Bathroom Power Scrubber features a powerful built-in 20-watt motor, which can easily handle built-up dirt and grime. The rechargeable battery also gets more than an hour of continuous use out of a single charge, helping to make this the best tile scrubber that we tried. We also loved that this electric spin scrubber ships with a trio of brush heads for different use scenarios and that each brush head can easily be screwed on or off in seconds. Though the 3 included brush heads are suitable for large cleaning jobs, we found the corner piece attachment to be a bit too soft for our liking, so you may struggle a bit getting into the kinds of nooks and crannies often found on faucets. Number 6. Klever Power Scrubber Brush. We found the Klever Power Scrubber to be quite clever for indoor bathroom and kitchen cleaning chores. Rather than the user needing to remove and recharge a battery, the Klever Scrubber comes with a built-in battery and a cord that plugs into a standard USB port. After charging the scrubber, we attached a half-sphere black brush and squeezed the power button. The Klever jumped into spinning action. The tool has a non-slip rubberized grip for comfort and a lock-on power button, making it handy to use without having to constantly hold the trigger. The best features of this scrubber are its quality construction, it's well made and durable, and its 8 different brushes offer a good deal of versatility. Number 5. Rubbermaid Reveal Power Scrubber. Our first impression of the Rubbermaid Reveal Power Scrubber was that it closely resembled an electric toothbrush, but that's where the similarities ended. The stiff bristle brush on the Reveal spins up to 60 times per second, that's 3,600 RPM. It has a non-slip rubberized grip that makes it comfortable to hold and features a lock-on power button. The Reveal worked right out of the package, thanks to the 4 pre-installed AA batteries. We tested the scrubber on kitchen tile grout lines, along the narrow inner seals of our casement windows where months' worth of dust and dirt had accumulated, and in the little crevices between the bathroom sink faucet handles. We were uniformly impressed. Although a beveled grout brush did not come with the tool, the standard all-purpose brush is plenty stiff for cleaning even stuck-on gunk in grout lines. Number 4. All-Purpose Drill Brushes by Drill Brush Power. The kit includes 3 brushes of different shapes and sizes for cleaning bathroom surfaces. These power brushes are made of medium-hard nylon bristles that can be connected to any cordless drill. Use these power scrubber brushes to clean sinks, bathtubs, shower doors, fiberglass enclosures, baseboards, and porcelain. Need more information? Watch this video to make an informed decision about the product. Number 3. Simpson Cleaning 15-inch Universal Scrubber. The Simpson Cleaning Universal Scrubber is a simple and straightforward cleaning tool that relies on the power of a pressure washer, not included, to clean even ground in mud and stains from concrete. This scrubber is rated to fit standard pressure washers ranging from 2,200 to 3,700 psi. We attached the Simpson scrubber to the wand of our 3,600 psi gas-powered power washer, hooked up the garden hose, and pulled the wand trigger. Water shot sideways out of the scrubber, and the pressure of the water nearly flipped the scrubber over. We immediately shut it down and examined the scrubber. Beneath the cylinder of the scrubber are 2 rotating aluminum arms that carry water to nozzles at the ends. One nozzle was clogged with a bit of plastic, so we cleared it and tried again. This time, the scrubber remained on the concrete, and a fine mist appeared around its edges as the spinning arms beneath rotated and delivered strong jets of water to the concrete. Success! We attached a soap dispenser, not included, to the pressure washer wand, and we were able to deliver a soapy water mixture to the concrete that helped soften and remove stains. The Simpson scrubber works well without a soap dispenser, however, so there's no need to buy one. Number 2. Holikme 33-piece Drill Brush Attachment Set. Want serious scrubbing muscle without spending a lot? Anyone with a cordless drill may find the Holikme 33-piece brush attachment set a super solution to a host of cleaning conundrums. Our first reaction to this brush and sponge bonanza was wonder, how could we ever find ways to test that many different attachments? But over the course of a few hours, we did just that. The brush bristles, we discovered, are color-coded by stiffness. We used the white bristle brush to clean delicate items, such as the car's windshield, and the stiffest black bristle brushes to scrub mud from the tailgate of a pickup truck. The green, yellow, and red brushes had in between levels of stiffness, and we used them on siding, to clean dried-on mud from a shovel, and to scrub hard water stains from a shower wall. We also tested the various scrubbing and polishing pads, and we found the orange ones ideal for buffing chrome bumpers to a high shine. This set even includes a 6-inch long extension attachment that allowed us to reach tight spots between cabinets and along the inner side of a car's wheel wells. Number 1. Ryobi 1 Plus 18V Cordless Compact Power Scrubber. Our top pick in the lineup is made by Ryobi, a well-known power tool brand. Being familiar with the high quality of other Ryobi products, we expected great things from the company's 18-volt handheld power scrubber, and we weren't disappointed. We charged its 18-volt lithium-ion battery on the included charger, inserted it into the water-resistant case at the tool's base, and got busy. We started outdoors because the tool's ample rotating brush, 6 inches in diameter, is well suited for scrubbing siding, decks, concrete steps, and automobiles. We used it on dirty tires, a muddy truck bed, and the bowl of a water fountain that had gunk buildup. To test its water resistance, we sprayed the Ryobi with a garden hose. The scrub head on the Ryobi spins at around 210 RPM when the battery is fully charged. Some scrubbers rotate faster, but the Ryobi kept on spinning even when we exerted firm pressure against the surfaces we were cleaning, a sure sign of a powerful motor.